The young youths lining up in Nnamdi Kanu, all of them were gone down. All of them were gone down. And the kafana agba kafana eburu, alumele na Igbo. Alumele na Igbo. Alumele na Igbo. Alumele na Igbo. In the evening of 16th of September 2017, our 3 men na gate in Nnamdi Kanu with me, and I'm there. They said they want to go and withdraw money. Now that all the UBA bank no Ihu, that is Ihu FMC. That UBA not there, either UBA or Facebook. I can't remember the name, but only bank not there. Not knowing that Nigerian army had dispatched some no one didn't made the bank. These men were banner ATM can withdraw all this money. Nigerian army will open no fire on them. We ban Madabwa, but we Madabwa instantly. Madabwa Ababul, Ofonyebu, Chinedu, picture on my old phone, Samsung Mufulef, when happened Nigeria. The next person in boom was this, Anaboya Moshe. Yeah, our guy named Moshe. A very hardcore, strong young man, like him and also about war and about war. Mowan Bogwaka within the Nigerian army. We don't know the same way. All got fear Nigerian army butu all of these men. Because we all of us, we undergo training, we underwent training. Training I got a training as of then. I got our training to combat our enemies with Akagodi. That was our training. So we already had physical fitness. Chinedu and Moshe was gone down without any provocation, just because Nahabo, one of boys not been Nnamdi Kanu. They were gone down at that bank. Why? Osbaba Burufana army Burufa, Tina Moto Burufa Pua. Then one of them, I had the 3 galadi, he withdraw the money. Then one of them, I have Joshua. Joshua when you ballers also Bella when Natana Ben Nnamdi Kanu, where Baba Bewezia, National Nigeria Army Camporo, opposite FMC. Nahababu Chinedu and Moshe. Joshua Bewezie. So some of our men divide young over West Kafaga attack. Nnamdi Kanu call them back. So don't attack anybody yet. Wait. Let's see what will happen next. Everybody no nanya mmiri. Abani that day ga. Anachoka man aga fozu. Ebenda mi solozu these people. Their corpse was not found throughout the whole day. Then the next morning, I know what information. Now this army mega advance to Ojuku Bunker because early in the midnight, came move with the whole police in Ojuku Bunker. Army they take you over there. And that means also the weather has to under the tunnel. Ojuku Bunker with tunnel outside the government house. Army say about a camp or Benand. Then the special deadly squad gets the tank there. Camp be within Obakara, waiting for the signal to attack. As early as 9:30 in the morning, immediately army and go with the entire Faruku. Our generals, our commanders were seeing Nnamdi Kanu. Let's make move. Now the place had was conducive for him. Nnamdi Kanu takes off. It is true that it was very hard for him. Our leader from Faruku because DSS has around their surveillance helicopter was on the air. I am telling you, as a living witness, everything happened within my very eyes. Nnamdi Kanu had to go from Faruku, but within the enemies, they were still hoping and very much assured that Nnamdi Kanu cannot within, so they must slaughter anybody trying to blockade the compound or the street, and they must capture Nnamdi Kanu alive. They will kill anything living. So immediately it is 9:30 from Onwelendin Keshi as Golden Guinea or Hamawunde Puru the attack. Listen, about that day, Nigerian army opened fire with machine gun or AK-47. They planned it very well. The police saw Nigerian army were there. Galakamponi Ojuku Bunker. Ojuku Bunker no next opposite Nnamdi Kanu's house. Eba Kano now fires tear gas. Tear gas now fly from above. Now land in the compound on Nnamdi Kanu. In order to weaken the people, the boys not be Nnamdi Kanu. Because those boys then, yeah, a guy is with the compound and the Ezenawunia, the compound on Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu has already moved out. While the police were firing tear gas, Nigerian army from that Golden Guinea back, we say about Ope machine gun, no one more tank. That was my animal machine gun. As a young youth, as a young boy. Animal machine gun. That was my first day. A4 machine gun. No, Afro machine gun in action. Now look at their target. They needed to penetrate inside the gate direct. There was one guy called Ojuku from Delta State. We called him Ojuku because the guy with the face, no Ojuku. So we normally call him Ojuku. The guy almost on the gate because Nnamdi Kanu before you patter from inside gate, you must meet a guard, not a gate here. The guy will search you, make sure you did anything harmful. Then before he seen the compound, we will checkmate you more personally. So not at the inside gate, we will checkmate you to make sure no nwere anything iji apụ na abụrụ your belongings. Are you getting me? Now, so the gate is open. I was talking with Ojukwu. Immediately we hear signal, they are coming. Nigerian army opened fire on machine gun. AK-47. There are foot soldiers following the armor tank. The armor tank was just heading direct to the gate. Then the operator of the machine gun, the machine gun, mepe with direct. Bapagide the guy, and Ojukwu. Bapagide egbe na ahụ. Alele. Echetagom ihe mere na gboo. Echetagom ihe mere nu. Agbara ya ka agbagbuo mana ekene dịrị Chukwu na mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa akwụkwọ ndị Igbo ji wee jee ozi n'oge gboo. The guy kwadokwara onwe ya ọfụma. Eji egbe agbapagide na ahụ gate. The boy couldn't die. Bullet couldn't penetrate. So the commander of that armor tank, we were the armor tank direct, go supergide the guy in the gate. The guy jump the Diana flower. Diana flower on a gate in Nnamdi Kanu. Due to the heat, the force the armor tank will hit here, the gate. That gate, Munojuku, that's the smaller gate. The madness near parts, Munojuku Jiaka, the gate was forced to open. Immediately, the gate amepe. Nsojukwu locked the gate. The criminal terrorist new machine gun made the machine gun operate. Poped the machine gun direct to Ojukwu. Bopagide Ojukwu na the gate. If Ojukwu later died, I can't tell. But the force of the bullet Ojukwu closed the gate. Ojukwu left the gate and ran away. I was the last standing man who managed to lock the gate of Nnamdi Kanu's compound. I locked the gate from inside. Ndaberize na hold the gate. Why the bullet from machine gun was busy hitting the gate at my back? All our boys, the young youths lining up in Nnamdi Kanu, all of them were gone down. And the kafana agba kafana eburu. Ka Nigeria army na agbabu kafana eburu. Etinye na their moto. Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu na radio station that not only 28 men, 28 of his boys bụ ndị agbagburu. Only ndị enwetere n'ime the compound after ndị amị mechara penetrate ya. Ndị enwetere n'ime the compound ka ha gbagburu. That was where the 28 members of his guards and the nkịtị ya a na-ekwu na radio station that na gbagburu 28 of his men and his dog Jack. Ebe a ka esi nweta that figure. But outside the compound, more than 100 of youth were slaughtered by Nigerian army. And ha na-agbagbu ha na-eburu. Alụ mere na Igbo. Alụ mere na Igbo. Alụ mere na Igbo.